Hello and welcome. You're watching Musings with Software Engineer. Hi Manan, how are you, Manan? You're a bit late today. You're not late. See, I came to your question now, so you are well in time. Your advice are always to the point, and thanks a lot, sir, for helping us all. Could you tell me future of application development and industry standards and future scope of it? Just look around you, Manan. Everything today we use is an application. Zomato, Swiggy is an application. You do online shopping. Amazon is an application. This is an application. It's a video sharing application. To do this live, I'm using an application called StreamYard. Okay, so StreamYard is an application which is helping me to do live. Because of StreamYard, I'm able to show these comments on the screen. Okay, I'm able to control the screen and everything because of StreamYard. So everything in today's world is an application. Okay, everything. Like, show me something. If you go to your fridge, on your fridge there are four buttons, and when you press certain buttons, certain kind of programming happens within your fridge. Or your washing machine, a fuzzy logic washing machine, there is a complete program within a washing machine. Okay, that's an embedded program, but somebody had to write that program, somebody had to write this application. Okay, so application industry is everywhere. Okay, so future scope is very huge. If you get into web development, if you get into Android development, if you get into iOS development, very few people go into iOS development, so competition is less. But of course iOS is a closed fort, so you have to be really good in that. Okay, so application development is very good. You can start building application in your college, which you can start directly putting online and see if people are taking. I know a person, his name is Hitat Shet. I don't know, he's not on this call, but someday I'll bring him. So he got interested in programming at the age of, I don't know what age, but when I met him, he was in ninth standard. And in ninth standard, he built an application called Gujju Students. Okay, you can go to Android store and check Gujju Students. Okay, and in that he built this teaching platform for Gujarati students who could so there are a lot of platforms for English students, but very few platform for Gujarati students. So he built this learning platform for Gujarati students. Okay, and recently he had posted that his application is now downloaded 1 lakh times on Google Store. Okay, you can understand the power of that. Okay, so you, if you understand how to build application, if you understand how to build Android applications, you can start building your own application. Okay, or if you are in business, if you have a business family, okay, then you can look at your business and you can think about what applications I can start building for this business. That's how Tally was born. Tally was born because it was a family business, and the son studied engineering, and the father told the son, you know, you studied engineering, then you build an accounting system for us. And he built an accounting system for use within the business. And then the father saw that this is really good, and then they made it into a really popular accounting system. Tally is the most used accounting system in India. It's also an application, okay, software application. So it's unlimited scope. Don't worry about scope. Okay, see, I did a video on the future scope of IT industry, and I think that video sums up. In the last, from 2009 to 2019, we have grown 170% as far as IT industry is concerned. And in pandemic, we have grown twice as fast. Okay, in the pandemic we have grown twice as fast. So also because of the way China is behaving, a lot of companies are going to come to India and set up their shops. So India is well set. And if you are in India and if you are a software engineer, your future is well set if you stop listening to all the doomsday news. So don't listen to all the news that say there are no jobs. Okay, It's your job to find a job, and you will get a job when you start finding a job. And all of you who are here, do spread this video, like this video before you go, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon, because when you press the bell icon, you will get a notification when I come live. I'm coming live on the same time, Thursday, 9:05 p.m. We will see you in the next live. Thank you very much.